Presenting the 2002 Ford Taurus LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver vanity mirror, front cup holders, dual front impact airbags, AM/FM radio, rear anti-roll bar, passenger door bin, four-wheel independent suspension, and bumpers. Body color. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.